Hello and welcome back to another video on how to make money online. We are very glad to have you back and we hope you enjoyed this video. This video is about how to start social media marketing as a beginner in 2020. So here we go. Before we get started, we need to know what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting someone else's product and earning a commission every time you sell one of their products. So basically, people want to sell their products, you share through the internet this link to people to help them buy these products that they're looking for. And then when these people buy these products, you earn a commission. It's very simple, it's very easy, it's a great way to earn passive income in which you don't have to actively be working to earn the money, but the money just constantly adds up on its own and then gets transferred to you month to month, because all of these processes of affiliate marketing will earn you money passively, day by day, sell by sell, right? But we need to get those links out there so people can click them and we can make those commissions. So how do we get started? The first step is to go to clickbank.com, go to amazonassociates.com, go to cjaffiliate.com, and any other webpage that will service as an affiliate marketplace, right? So affiliate marketplaces are web pages that will help you find products, and they will help you find companies that are looking for people to promote their products, right? And you can possibly find this affiliate programs for almost any company out there, right? I'm sure if you look at some of your favorite companies and you look there for an affiliate program, most of them will have an affiliate program in which you could earn money through selling their products, right? So for example, to me, Amazon Associates is one of the best ways because I use Amazon all the time. I know a lot of people who use Amazon all the time. I have a lot of products that I have bought through Amazon and I can vouch for those products, and I know that those products are worth buying, and I can recommend those products and people can buy those products, and then I would make a commission on those products. So remember to go to one of these web pages, or maybe all three of them. I would recommend you go to all three of them and you sign up. The next step is getting a channel. Once you have signed up in all of those pages, or even more, if you can find more affiliate marketplaces, please do sign up. The more the better, because the more places you sign up at, the better your chances of finding links or products that you are passionate about and you're willing to promote for other people, right? So it's very good to sign up to other pages. But once you have signed up to whatever page you like to sign up, you're gonna find the products and you're gonna find the links. In this case, I'm gonna use ClickBank, right? So we're gonna go to ClickBank over here and we're gonna see this marketplace. In the marketplace, we have different categories over on this side, and then all these categories divide our products, right? And we can find a category that we are interested in, and we can choose that category and use that category to orient or search. So I'm gonna go to art and entertainment, and then in art and entertainment I'm gonna choose this Piano for All. I choose Piano for All because it's a product that I like very much. I feel like it's very well constructed and there are a lot of tools that will help me sell this product. So if you want to learn a little bit more about this, we talk a little bit more about it in the ClickBank video, so make sure you watch that in our channel. And so we're gonna go to Piano for All, and then we are going to get that affiliate link, right? And now that we have gotten that affiliate link, we need to take that affiliate link and put it somewhere where a lot of people are gonna watch it and a lot of people are gonna click on it, right? So how do we do this? How do we take this link and get a lot of traffic through it? And that, first of all, needs a channel. So we need to create a channel in which people can go and look at our content and then click on this link. So you can choose whatever media you want. You can choose YouTube, you can choose maybe making a blog on like Wix, or maybe on any other place that you can make a web page. You can go to Facebook maybe and create a page of people trying to sell that product or you promoting that product. You can go to Instagram and get shout outs. You can go to any media you want and you can find a way to promote this product in each one of those. So that's step number 2. Step number 2 is getting a channel and promoting that link, Once you get the channel and you promote that link, here comes step number 3. Step number 3 is then paying to promote those ads and paying to promote those posts in order for people to watch it and in order for people to want to buy it, right? Because every time that we sell one of them, we are going to make money. So if we go to the Piano for All webpage and we look over here at the affiliate program and we go to how much could I earn, we will see that we could earn in between $21 and $27 per sale, right? So let's say we're gonna earn $21 and let's say I'm gonna make a fake Facebook post, and then after I make that Facebook post about the Piano for All product, we are going to run a Facebook ad, and we're gonna set that Facebook ad to pay maybe to run for 2 days at $10 a day. And if we do this, we can reach up to 200,000 people. And if we can reach up to 200,000 people, and maybe let's say 5 people buy your product, right? Seems like a reasonable number. Out of 200,000 people, 5 people would click on that page, see this page and say, yes, during this time that I'm gonna be in my house, I would like to learn how to play the piano. I've been wanting to learn how to play the piano because kids and adults always want to learn how to play the piano. It's a good hobby and a lot of people really like it. So this is a very good way for you to offer this service to other people. And then let's say 5 people buy that product. So you just made $100, over $100, maybe even $145 out of this sale, right? Out of this 2 days in which you paid $2, which was one sale. So let's say you take that out and you're making in between $80 and $120, right? So that is a very good margin. If you get to just sell 5 little programs, right? Imagine if you sell 100, imagine if you sell 1,000, you could be making a lot of money. And this is just an example through ClickBank. If you go to Amazon Associates, if you go to CJ Affiliates, if you look for as many products as you can and you find ways to promote these products, maybe make a YouTube channel in which you talk about the products through the reviews of other people. Maybe you have a blog with your favorite type of games. Maybe you like to do makeup reviews. Whatever you do that you very much enjoy doing and talking to other people about buying and recommending to other people, that is an opportunity for you to make money when you have that opportunity to project this to a mass audience and you get paid by the company every time that you make a sale, right? So affiliate marketing is a very good way to make money. I recommend it very much. It's a very good way to make passive income in which you don't have to do much but do the initial work and then just rip off the benefits, right? So make sure you sign up to these pages, make sure that you create a channel, make sure that you create traffic through that channel, either through the creation of content, which I just mentioned, or through Facebook ads or paying for to get that traffic, right? Make sure that your ads are very catchy, make sure that your titles are things that people are going to search on YouTube, something that you would search on YouTube. Make sure that it is something that people would look for in order to buy the things that you are selling. And then once they find you, once you convince them of buying those products, you can sell it to them and make a lot of money. So thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that this was helpful for you. We hope that you can make a lot of money through affiliate marketing. If you have made money through affiliate marketing, please leave a comment and let us know how did it go, how hard was it. We hope that you come back to our channel and that you subscribe, because we are constantly uploading videos on new ways to make money, and we hope that you are learning each time that we make a new video how to make more money online. See you later.